Almost every student has at some point used flashcards. Compared to other studying methods, they can be much more useful and easy. In fact, the ease with which flashcards can be made and used have made flashcards one of the first and most enduring study aids in the history of learning. Not only are they simple to use, but flashcards work. Years of research have revealed that few, if any, other methods quite work so well for reviewing and memorizing information. Even today, the evolution of technology has not eliminated the need for flashcards as a study tool. In fact, today we are going to be learning about a website designed for flashcards. Flashcard Machine is a website where you can create, study, and share online flashcards. Flashcard Machine was created by a man who was pursuing his BFA in multimedia design at the University of Oregon. After discovering that all of the images for his art history class were available on a class web page, he started creating web-based flashcards. As he began building this application, he then realized the value in creating a set of flashcards just one time, and then he could share these flashcards with his classmates. Hence, Flashcard Machine was born. This website was created back in 2000. Today, Flashcard Machine is a growing community of hundreds of thousands of students, teachers, and professionals around the world with a shared goal in mind to succeed at their studies. Flashcard Machine is a free service to all users. So today we are going to watch a video on YouTube about how to run the Flashcard Machine website. Once we have watched the video, I would like everybody to go ahead and do independent study. I have also printed out the step-by-step cheat sheet from the actual Flashcard Machine website. So everybody will go ahead during that independent study and create their own account and also practice a little bit with the Flashcard Machine website.
Everyone, today I'm going to share a website that I found called Flashcard Machine. So I've just gone to flashcardmachine.com and I have already created an account. It's free to create an account. So I'm going to sign in. And I have already created a set of flashcards that I'll go ahead and show you, and then I'll show you how to create your own flashcards. So I clicked on my set of flashcards, and what's nice is I have a couple of options. I can click on Start a Study Session, and then I can choose how I would like to do it. Do I want the cards to come up in a random order? Do I want them ascending or descending? I can flag cards. Do I want to exclude those or include those? So maybe if there are some words that I already know and I don't need those a part of my set, I can exclude those if I want. Then there's an auto flip option. Whereas if I want to go at a steady pace and have it flip it for me, I can do that. Or if I want to work at my own pace, I can keep that as a no. So if I click on Start Session, I have a window that comes up and it gives me the term, and I can either click on flip card or hit the space bar, and then it gives me the definition with a picture. And so then moving on to the next card, I can click on next card here at the bottom or at the top. And so it goes on, and so I can quiz myself that way. It also has a quiz option. If I go back to this page and I click on Quiz Me, again, I can decide to include or exclude my flagged cards. And I can choose the sequence. Do I want the term and the definition, or do I want the definition and then the term? So I'm going to keep term and then the definition. So if I start the quiz, here it gives me the term, and then it gives me 4 options for the definition. And so these definitions are definitions that I've already put in. So then I can go through and I can choose the correct one. and it gives me feedback right away whether or not that is the correct option. If I chose, I'll go to the next question. If I choose an incorrect answer, okay, it is red, and you can see it keeps track of my percentage up here so I can see how well I'm doing. So I'm going to go back to my flashcards, and let's set up a new flashcard set. So I just clicked on create a new set, and I'm going to find my subject. So you can see there's all kinds of subjects for categories that you can choose from. I'm going to click on math, grade level, I'm going to say 10th grade, and I'm going to say geometric angles. Description, I'm just going to say angles and geometry. And then here, if you want to change the font, how large it is, the color, I'm just going to leave it like it is. Here, flashcard database, if you would like your flashcards to be a part of the database where other people can search and find them, I'm going to leave that disabled. Here you have the option if you would like to share. So I'm going to enable that, saying that if I would like to share this flashcard set with someone else or with students, then I want to enable that so I can give them the link and they can access those flashcards. So I'm going to save. And then now I can start making my own flashcards. Now that I've created my flashcard set, now I can actually start creating the flashcards. So I'm going to go to Advanced Editor because I want to show you how to upload images and audio files. If you just want to do words, then you can go to the Quick Editor. So I'm going to click on Advanced Editor, and here you can see this is the title of my flashcard set, Geometric Angles, and then I'm going to click on Create a New Card. So here I can put my term if I want to do adjacent angles. And then down here in my definition, I want to have an image with text. So I'm going to add the image first. And it says from my collection. So I have previously already uploaded pictures, and these are all the pictures of the different types of angles that I have already uploaded. So I'm going to choose the adjacent angles. And then I'm going to go to plain text because I want to add text to go with it. So this is my image here. So I'm going to say angles that share a common side and vertex. And then I can go to, if I'm finished with this card, then I can go to new card and do the same thing, create another card. So let me show you how you can upload images or audio. If I click on Manage Images, here you can see the list of images that I've already uploaded. So if I want to upload another picture, I would go to Choose File, and then it's going to pull up my options, and so then I can choose if I want to upload another picture. I just click on it, and then I can upload that, and it would add it to my existing images. So I could do the same thing with audio. If I click on Manage Audio, I can record a sound file if I want to record my own voice or my own sound, or if I already have a sound file that I'd like to upload, I can do that as well. So you can keep going until you have the number of cards that you would like, and then you would just click Save and Exit. And so here you can see I have these blank because I didn't fill in the terms, but here it would list all your terms that you have put in for that flashcard set. So if I go back to my flashcards, okay, now it lists 2 flashcard sets that I have. This one with the 11, that's the one that I've already created, and this is the one that the geometric angles that I just practiced with to show you as an example. So I think this is very useful for students. They can either access flashcards that have already been created, or they can create their own. So I would recommend giving this a try in your classroom.
So hopefully between the video and the printout, everyone is able to create an account and also have an understanding of how to create a set of flashcards. Once you've created a set of flashcards, you can share your set with others who study the same subject or someone who's just interested in learning. You can just forward the URL link to anyone, and anyone can access them even without registering as long as they have that link. So I hope you've enjoyed learning about flashcards and the website Flashcard Machine, and hopefully it'll help you in your future and also help you maybe implement it into your curriculum with your students.